Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I am Rosemary and in this video I will be showing you how to braid wool or yarn twist using Brazilian wool only. Please like the video, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't. I will be sharing two methods, so do enjoy the tutorial. I will be using these metals for decorations costing 15 rands, 5 Brazilian wools, 12 rands each, rubber bands for 10 rands. So after picking the thickness of the wool twist, I kept one wool strand of wool to measure the rest. Also note that the twist at the back and sides will be shorter than the one in the middle of the head, or front will be longer to create a bob. I used 2 wool strands per twist or braid. You can decrease or increase according to the thickness of your twist. And the 2 wool strands are like this in terms of thickness. The good thing about the wool twist is that it's very light in weight. It looks bulky but not heavy at all, and it also doesn't cause dryness of the hair. Now let's start braiding. On washed and well moisturized hair, I will section then apply the shining gem to lay down the roots. Using the 2 wool strands, I will hold the wool in the middle, then hold my natural hair with my other hand. I will then use the other hand to rotate or wind the wool around my natural hair just once to avoid a big knot. Because my hair is a bit slippery, I couldn't grab it properly. The solution is to push the wool down using one hand and the other hand will hold the natural hair. After pushing it, I start braiding using the 3 strands technique. When I'm satisfied with the braided length, I will separate the natural hair into 2, then start twisting. The goal here is to have 3 equal strands. If not, I will have to take some hair on the other strands to balance. If I'm happy with everything, I'll just separate the natural hair into 2, and then I will only have 2 strands to twist. Please have a look at how I twist, even if you have never twisted before. So before tying, I will try to measure the length using other braids or previous braids, and this is how I tie using a small wool. Please also ensure that your natural hair is shorter than your bob. You do not want to cut your hair. Now moving to the second method. So the second method is the rubber band method. I will dip the small rubber band inside oil so that it's easy to attach and remove. I will section the hair into 2, then place the wool in the middle, then combine the natural hair and attach the rubber band, then push the rubber band down . I will start by braiding just like on the first method for consistency. As you can see, I already have 3 strands. I will continue braiding. I will then separate the natural hair into 2, then start twisting. After twisting, I will tie at the end. Before cutting, I will then ensure that the ends are almost equivalent to create a bob. And also ensure that all the braids have been secured with a rubber band to prevent unraveling. In this case, I didn't want to decorate all my braids, but if you want, you can decorate all your braids using those metals, and you don't have to use the rubber band if you use the metal. And this is the final product of the hairstyle. Please see the few hairstyles I will be rocking. You can add more for fun. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment and also share if you can. And I will see you on the next tutorials. Bye.